Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by deciding where the color change sits, in the middle of a row, at the last yarn over of a stitch. Work the stitch until the final yarn over, but do not pull through yet. This traps the loop. Once done, drop yarn and pick up yarn B, leaving tails behind the work. Pull yarn B through that last yarn over to complete the stitch in the new color. Make sure to gently tension the new yarn so the join sits flat and even. Now secure the join by crocheting the next 1 to 3 stitches over both yarn tails, or simply crochet over them as you work. This hides and anchors the ends. You should keep even tension. If the new color pulls tight, loosen your hold slightly. If it sags, tighten a little. Once you have several stitches in the new color established, remove the stitch marker if used. Continue across the row, counting stitches to preserve the pattern. To finish, either carry the unused yarn along the row for short color changes, catching it every few stitches, or fasten it off if colors are far apart. When the row is complete, weave tails on the wrong side with a yarn needle, going back and forth through a few stitches to secure them. If you see puckering or a tight join, unpick a small section, re-establish the last stitch leaving the correct loop height, and redo the join. That fixes tension issues without ruining the row.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.